The Tangem Wallet is one of the simplest and most secure ways for beginners to manage cryptocurrency. It's a physical, card-like device that stores private keys offline, making it immune to online hacking or phishing attacks. Unlike software wallets, Tangem offers a tangible way to hold digital assets without worrying about complex backups or passwords. For beginners, the standout option is the Tangem Wallet Standard. Priced around $50, it provides an intuitive user experience while supporting a wide range of cryptocurrencies. Its simplicity is unmatched. There's no need to download apps or deal with seed phrases. Users can simply tap the card on an NFC-enabled smartphone to check balances, send, and receive crypto. The security of the wallet relies on the Tangem chip technology, which ensures that private keys never leave the card, keeping funds fully protected. Another excellent option for beginners is the Tangem Wallet Twin, available for approximately $90. This version includes 2 cards, allowing users to create a backup card immediately. This eliminates the risk of losing funds if one card is misplaced. Twin also supports multiple wallets on the same card, giving beginners flexibility without adding complexity. Both the standard and twin models are designed to last for years, using durable materials that can withstand daily use. Tangem wallets integrate seamlessly with major apps and exchanges, making them beginner-friendly while still providing access to advanced features. Their offline storage combined with instant access via NFC means that beginners can confidently manage cryptocurrencies without the usual stress of private key management. For anyone starting in crypto, Tangem wallets provide an affordable, secure, and straightforward solution. They remove the learning curve associated with traditional wallets and make digital asset management almost effortless. Investing $50 to $90 in a Tangem wallet is a small price for long-term security and peace of mind.